Morning all, my name's Chris and welcome to my channel. You join me on the plot today. A few little jobs to do, but the main job today is attacking this little bad boy. The Rotavator that doesn't seem to want to work. So I think I'm going to go get my tools and have a little look and see if we can make it work. But first, I'm going to go and get the kettle on. I'll be back in a bit. Welcome back. If you remember from a previous video, the problem I had with this, or I have with this, is these blades don't turn when you lower it down. Now, there's a few little avenues I might be going down to try and work out why it doesn't work. First thing I'm going to try though is this up here is the clutch and the clutch cable that goes down there and disappears into there. I'm going to try and adjust that, see if that makes any difference. If that doesn't work, which I hope it will work, the next port of call is going to be taking this block off and see what's going in inside there. So I'm going to crack on with that and I'll let you know my findings. Back in a bit. Now here's the bit that's broken. One top plate. It's in there somewhere. There it is. Over there. Right, that sits on top of the blades and the blade unit. When you pull the clutch, that moves. Now, in a normal position, the belt is on the two cogs underneath and the wheels will turn. When you put the clutch down, it moves back tighten the belt so that when you lower it onto the ground, it continues to turn over under pressure. Now, this is the little bit that the clutch is attached to. That actually sits on there like so. So the clutch goes, turn this round the right way. So the clutch comes down, hooks in there, and when you pull the clutch, it moves backwards and forwards. That's the problem, it's broken off. Now in all fairness, it hasn't been put on very well. It's actually snapped along there, if you can see that. So I think when this was manufactured, it was done like so, punched out on a machine, and then all they've done is they've bent this up and tacked that little bracket on. Oop. With two little tacks, two little spot welds by the look of it, and over time it's sheared off along there. You can see where it's snapped, and it doesn't work. So I'm going to take this back into work. I'm going to get this welded. I'm going to get it tacked all the way around there, and I'm also going to get it tacked along the bottom there as well to give it extra strength. So there you go. That was the problem. Not a lot happening on the plot, so not a lot to film. All the action seems to be in the greenhouse at the moment. So I'll give you a little look round, see what's going on. Let's pick you up on there. You're on the tripod again. Okay, we'll start up the back here. We've got the lettuces. Need a little bit of water, some of them. But most of them coming on good. Very good indeed. These will be going out in the garden. I won't put these over the allotments because I won't be able to get over there enough to keep an eye on them. But the main thing down the bottom here, oh, pliers, is the cabbages, the brassicas, cauliflowers. Pull one out there so you can see. They're doing brilliantly. Now these are probably about ready to go out, but I'm not going to put them out just yet. I'm going to wait a little while because we're still getting frost in the morning, and even if you put a fleece over them, they can still get damaged. But there you go, another little look in there, around there. Now if we come over here, we've got the peppers, still not doing a lot. Nothing really happening in there. These ones starting to come along a little bit. Tomatoes picking up really well now. We've still got a couple of little straggly ones. Leaves are starting to turn funny, sort of a yellowy colour, so we may lose them. Doing alright along there. Let's swing you around here. Sweet corn, potted up. We've got a little rogue. Get out. Something coming up there. Sunflowers over the back coming up nicely. More sweet corn. Beetroot is still there, hasn't been put out yet. That's another little job I need to do. These are coming on quite nice, starting to get the extra leaves, new leaves on there. Round into here, some more brassicas that are doing really well. Now these are going to free up a lot of space in here once these go in. That's going to be a busy day putting all them in. A few leeks are coming on quite well, they're starting to thicken up a bit. And up here we've got the seeds that we've planted of various things, mainly flowers on these, which haven't germinated as yet. We've got a little germination, I think, in there. Yes, over the back. Some seeds. I haven't got my list with me, so I couldn't tell you. It's number 74. And if we pop over here, oh, we've got a little bag with some mixed flowers in there. We've got a sweet pepper. And over here, some more sunflowers, which are doing really well. Okay, pop you back up here. I'm going to pop off now, edit this video and get it up. Want to thank all the subscribers that are watching, and for those that are watching and haven't subscribed, why don't you think about subscribing? Just press a little icon down the bottom and you're in. And if you press the little bell, you get notification of when new video content comes up. I hope the Rotavator video has been helpful. If you have problems with yours, it may be worth looking back, see how it all come apart and what the problem I had. I did have a look online on a forum, and I did find that someone has had the same problem that I've got with the little snap bracket. So I've emailed the chap letting him know that I've got the same problem as well. How he rectified it, I've asked, and also if he's had any other problems with it. I haven't had a reply yet, but no doubt he'll get back in the next few days. So until next time, take care all, and I'll see you on the next one.